How you guys doing? If you are watching this, you are trying to figure out how to put some string in your weed eater. So a lot of these weed eaters are very similar. They're usually dual line. What that means is there's two sides that the line goes in, and this is very simple. So you're going to have a cap on your weed eater. It's normally going to be on. You're just going to press these two clips. So let's pretend it's on. Okay. All right, so pretend that's clipped in. We're going to press it like this on each side. It's going to pop that out, and then all you're going to do is, you see this hole right here, line the hole up with this curve right here. So line both of those up, put the cap back on, then you're going to get two strings about the same size. So here's our string. You want it to be anywhere up to about 15 feet long, and you want them to be the same size. And then you want to take your hole right here, and you want to know that you're aiming for that hole that's on the inside. So remember, we knew there was a hole on the inside, and I'm just feeling for that, because what you're doing is you're putting the string, you're feeling for it. Yep, and I'm feeling it go in. Once you feel it start going in that hole, you want it to go in maybe an inch, inch and a half. And I want to get the other side. Oh, I felt that one. That one was good. And then other than that, guys, it's this easy. So maybe tug on both sides. Make sure, you know, you felt it go in the hole. After that, all you do is twist it up. And it's really that easy. So we're going to keep going until you reach the level you desire. Thank you so much who has watched and who has came to this video. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to the channel. And also, you can, you know, obviously cut off if you got one side a little bit too long. Cut it off like that and you're all good. Thank you.